Welcome to my That Muffin Art channel, a simple technique to create a successful drawing. Choose an object or scene that can be represented with minimal details such as a tree, a simple landscape, an animal outline of a forest. This reduces the need for excessive lines. Before drawing, mentally break down the subject into essential parts that can be drawn in fever stroke. Think about what feathers are the most important to include. Concentrate on drawing the base. Before drawing, mentally break down the subject into essential parts that can be drawn in fever stroke. Think about what features are the most important to include. For example, for a tree, focus on the trunk and main branches. Instead of drawing every detail, use lines that suggest form the structure. For example, a few lines can suggest folds in cloth or the curve of a face. Divide the subject into different parts and assign a specific number of lines to each. Don't try to fill every space. Well-placed lines can imply parts of the drawing. Thanks for watching this video.